How to turn on or off call forwarding option on Android phones. Go ahead and open your phone application and dial double star 67 and star. Then you have to go ahead and write your phone number. Then give a hash. And just like that, your call forwarding will be activated. And the second option that you can try is by tapping on the three dot icon and going to your call settings. If you have two SIM, select any SIM and go ahead and select the option of call forwarding. So I'll be choosing SIM 1 here. Then tap on always forward option. Now here go ahead and add a phone number where you want your calls to be forwarded if you are busy and tap on turn on. And simply like that, it is activated. Now to turn it off, go ahead and tap on always forward once again and tap on turn off. And the second option is to head back from here and again to your dialer, go ahead and tap hash, hash and 002 and again a hash and go ahead and make a call. And simply like that, the call forwarding will be disabled. Isn't it simple? So make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.